Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Buck Does It. Well, we had some snow and some freezing rain last night, so still can't get outside to finish grinding this up and doing the body work here. But in the meantime, I did get the body work done up around in here. I did put a short out about that. I got that and I got over there. Right now, I did get my piece of metal bent. So, just waiting for the paint to dry there for underneath, and then I got to flip it over and do the other side. I got holes drilled and stuff ready to go. Right now, I'm getting ready to mount that piece for good. I got some self-tappers, screw gun, drill, all that stuff is over there. But that's where I'm at right now. And these here come out pretty good. Let me show you this side anyway. I think it looks fantastic. It'll even look better when the window's in there. Won't be long. I was surprised. The rest of this in here looks pretty good. I just need to clean it up with the wire brush, but we'll get to that a little bit later. I got to do some wire brushing up there and some sanding, and I really need to grind all that weld off of there so I can do some hammer and dolly over here. I got this all bent up over here. This side I did a whole lot better on. Alright, here we go. Should be the last time in. I got this bottom piece all mounted up. Still have to put some screws up in here. I gotta drill some holes first. Oh. Let's see how this goes. I'm just marking them for now. Put a lot of holes in there. This ain't the Titanic. I don't know what I'm thinking of. I guess I'm just trying to keep it from rattling. Rattling. I don't want it to be rattling. Two more. These are just marking them. I guess I'm going to have to take it out of there. I could have just run the self-tappers through there if I wanted to, but you know, I didn't want to. There we go. Oh, that sucks. That's going into an opening. Ha! A dingbat. We'll be all right. How's this one? Yeah, that's a good one. All right. One more. Alright. We're gonna nail it. We are gonna nail it. Yeah. Oh. Oh well. That's where it's going. That's where we got the holes drilled. Huh? Nice. I'll make sure all the other ones are okay. Yeah. Well, time to nail it. Let me see it. Oh, come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah. Wow, that one went right in. Must have been a hole behind it. I think I got enough screws in there. What do you think? Alrighty then. Let me get this one down here yet. Get rid of it. And we only got a couple up on top here and finish up over there. And then work on my window channel. Alright. Man, that tightened everything up. Everything, I tell you, everything. Okay. Yeah. This is the one I missed the backing on, but I could put a screw in there and make it look good. more to go. Yeah, hopefully, I tell you, hopefully, the exhaust won't make it rattle. Put some foam backing on there. Oh my gosh. Well, now, let's see, what do we need? 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can even count. All right. I'm gonna start from the center and work our way out. What I did, I tried to keep these screws here so when I put the window in, I could get them out if I have to. You know, are you picking up what I'm putting down? The only thing is I never thought about it. I won't get it out past the roll bar. Well, worst case scenario, we'll have to cut it in half, huh? I guess, I don't know. We'll see. I'm hoping it never has to come out. 2 more. Finished a bondo. Cool beans, Joe. I'm digging it. I was gonna paint those screws black, but I think I'll just let them alone. Huh. Okay. There we go. Next up, I'm gonna finish this window channel, and that's about it. All right, little update. I got all this ground down and I was in there hammering dolly and stuff. I think I got it pretty good here. So we're about ready to put some schmutz on there. I want to fill this crack in too. Got this all, what you call it, up. And let me see if I can show you this. I know Unfinished Project said I can fix that. I'm sure I can, but it's just about all the way across. So that's my next up. I just have that there to try to keep some of the dust out of there. I'm ready to put some bondo on her reinforced filler, that fiber filler, like gorilla hair. I'm gonna put some of that on there first. And because it's supposed to get snowy here next couple days. I wanted to get this done yesterday, so I can keep going here. I just had the trunk lid laying on there. I had that disconnected so I can get up in there and hammer and dolly it in pieces there before I do some bondo work. And then I still got a couple little rust holes in that channel there, but I wanted to show you the underneath of the trunk lid here. These are pretty nasty. So we got an adventure going on here, let me tell you. But we gonna get it. So that's probably next up is all this garbage here, and then a little bit inside there, and then some bondo work there. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.